Hi everybody, this is Becky from Becky's Learning Loft. Have you ever wanted to make a book of your own? Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini book from one sheet of paper. In order to do this, I'm going to demonstrate using the Polar Bear mini book from my shop, and if you want one you can click here so that you can use the exact same one I'm using in the video, but any sheet of paper will work. To begin, lay out your book and look for the title page. Make sure it's at the bottom right, and then flip it over and smooth out your paper. Now fold your paper in half hamburger style. Do you see how now your cover picture is up at the very top in the corner? Make it a nice, neat crease. Do your corners line up? You don't have to worry about being perfect, but we want to be as neat as possible. Now lay it out and then flip it over so that your cover is in the bottom right corner. You can kind of see it through the paper, I bet. The first step we're going to do is fold it just a little bit so that you get to that very first line and that you see your cover page again. Do you see it there? Polar Bear is a name. That's the cover. Okay. Next, we're going to fold the whole thing in half like a hamburger again and try to find those guidelines on there that you can use to crease so you can see where you should do it. Remember, we do excellent work, but we don't have to worry about being perfect. Smooth it out. Okay, now you have it folded in half. Do you see these dotted lines? Those are for cutting, but once you get to the middle, you need to stop. Don't cut a solid line. You only cut halfway. So go ahead and carefully cut, but go slow so that you don't accidentally cut past the middle. You only want to go to the middle and stop. Okay. Go ahead and open your sheet of paper again, and again put your cover down in the bottom. And now you have it in a half. Do you see that? You've got to push those together, and I like to hold it with my thumb and my pointer finger. I know it's kind of hard. Push it all together until it's folded in half again. Smooth it out as best you can until you see your cover and the back page again. Do you see how that's the back page and the cover? You know you have it right. Good job. Okay, and then fold it in half one last time. Go ahead and smooth that out. And voila, you have a mini book. Great job, you guys. Let's go ahead and check and make sure we have our pages in the right order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The good news is it's just folding, so if you made a mistake, you can just start over. Go ahead and fold it, smooth it flat. There you go, I'm proud of you. Great job. Now go ahead and put your name on the front. I'm gonna write Becky, that's my name. I'm writing in a red marker so it's easy for you to see, but your teacher might require you to use a pencil, so make sure you follow your teacher's instructions. Now flip it over in the back. If you're doing the Polar Bear book, it's time to write one fact that you learned about polar bears. I learned that polar bears sometimes eat berries. Uh-oh, sometimes was so long I had to cut it in half, and I used a hyphen. That's a dash that helps you cut your words in half. With a mini book, sometimes words are long and you can do that. So I learned polar bears sometimes eat berries. I hope you learned something fun and new about polar bears. Great job, everybody. Let's stay connected. If you want your own polar bear mini book, click there. Teachers, you can follow me on TPT right here. And as always, please subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Happy learning.